Exactly 25 days back, I made a video in the most vulnerable moments of my life. I was heartbroken, devastated, and numb. It felt like I'd hit the rock bottom of my life. And I still hope that that moment should be the rock bottom of my life. And that I don't get to see a day worse or even equivalent to that day ever again in my life. When I made that video, trust me, I didn't even know what was I thinking while uploading that, because honestly, opening up to the whole, to a whole new social media platform like this one is definitely not me. I uploaded it with the thought that maybe I'll just delete it later, but you guys didn't let me. You guys showed me what true empathy can do to you and to your confidence. So thank you so much to all of you guys who reached out to me so far. Words aren't enough to express what it meant to me, and so here I am to tell you that what you give to others, you have all the right in the world to have it back. So here, and therefore in my last YouTube short video, I mentioned that whoever will open up to me in the comments, I will take a moment to give my take on that. Although very few people reached out to me, very few people opened up, but I understand, I do come from that place, so I understand that it's not the easiest thing to do, but I truly appreciate all the people who did it anyway. So I would like to come to that. So thank you so much, guys. I take up those comments and try to give my take on that. So should I name you guys by your user ID name, if that's okay, because you've commented anyway. So this person, Ryzen Gaming 4902, he has commented, or she has commented, okay, so I sat at home keeping my bonded job away of 5 lakhs while I promised that I will score good marks and get good rank, and they will pay that since I am from a very well-to-do family. But the NEET PG 2025 rank shattered me 50k UR, and now I'm keeping myself up and preparing for November INI. Now I got a job and will pay back the money to them through this job, but I feel I wasted my drop year. I know what are the things that I did wrong, but yes, won't lose my spirit. I keep seeing your regular videos. You're a champ, and yes, I can do this. Lots of success to you. Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for your kind words. You have no idea how glad am I to know that certain people out there, there are people out there who relate to my content and relate to what I say in those videos. I try to be 100% honest with you guys. So thank you so much for saying that. And when it comes to your NEET PG 2025 rank of 50k, see, first of all, kudos to you for at least opening up and trying to cope with it. That in itself is a big step forward. So my take on this would be that, see, your rank is 50,000. You are from an unreserved category, and so am I. And even my rank is close to what your rank is. So I would say that see, even I am devastated at the moment. I know how it feels कि आपने पूरा अपना drop year बर्बाद कर दिया, and more so because I feel so devastated for the fact that I missed an amazing opportunity last year to improve certain things, and only to get things worse for myself this year. Does that change the fact that I worked hard? I don't think so. And does that mean that I can't rebuild my life? No. So I don't think so that any of it defines what our life would be in the future. Of course, the results वो सारे लोग जिनके फेवर में रिजल्ट्स नहीं थे, जो वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे वो नहीं आया, या जो वो ब्रांच एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे वो उन्हें नहीं मिल रहा. So I know that obviously that has changed a lot of things in your plan, but does that guarantee you a bad life in future? I don't think so. And that is something I have told myself to process through this. So maybe I'm being delusional, but it is what it is, that things doesn't end here. Maybe through a different route, maybe through a different process with a different mindset, but I'll get there where I want to be. Maybe अभी के लिए हो सकता है कि चीज़ें मे बी थोड़ी डिफ़िकल्ट हो गई हैं, एंड मे बी अलॉन्ग द वे चीज़ें थोड़ी हमारे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएं, बट ओके. आई मीन लाइफ इज़ नॉट फेयर. एंड दैट इज़ द ट्रूथ दैट ऑब्वियसली हर किसी के लिए लाइफ एक जैसी नहीं होती है, एंड दैट इज़ ओके, राइट? आई मीन थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे चलता है. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल who have not even achieved what we have been able to, what you've been able to, and so it's okay. I think right now I know how it feels. It feels like you've hit a new low in your life, but trust me, this isn't the end. I think you stood up for yourself and started preparing for the November INI. That itself explains a lot about you as a person and the kind of courage that you hold. So hold on to that a little more. I know you'll you'll get through this, and in obviously you'll be able to perform in November INI if you hold on to that courage for a little while longer. So hold on to that. I'm sure you'll do wonders in your life and you'll shine through. So all the very very best, and thank you for your kind words. I hope I could keep impacting you positively through my videos. So thank you so much for reaching out, means a lot. Next comment is, I tried to compile and study from BTR and main notes but got bad rank. It's my second attempt. I quit my job last year because it was hectic. Now don't have a job nor a good rank, and too much of family pressure to take a subject. Both of my parents are retired teachers, and I don't have courage to ask for another drop year. And it's kind of impossible to get a job and study simultaneously, as I belong to a place where only linked people, etc., linked person get jobs in good PHCs, and no private good job options available. Also, after exam, just fell for a person very intensely in love, and according to him, he can't be with me due to his parents and society, and because in past he was betrayed by his person even after introducing both the families, due to which he thinks कि उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे अशेम किया है, कि उसके पेरेंट्स को उसने अशेम किया. आई एम सो सॉरी. आई फेल्ट हार्ट ब्रोकन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम in my life. Never fall in love, and now I got how much it hurts. After all this, now started to prepare for November INI CT using BTR only with first aid and Zainab ma'am's test and discussion. Want to give my all this time. Okay, so I think you've described the perfect recipe of a disaster. I think it's failures plus heartbreak is like the perfect combination of what not to happen in life, and that too simultaneously. So of course you must be going through a lot. I can understand that, because when you're in love with someone, it's more than just a romantic connection. It's a rather emotional connection. I believe that. And you start seeing that person as one of your greatest emotional support, and your mind convinces itself that when things are in distress, when your life is in distress, that is the one person you can fall back on. So if that doesn't happen, like when that person isn't there for some reason, and things do not turn out the way you imagined it to, be it personally or professionally, of course you feel devastated. And when both the things happen together, like simultaneously, you on the professional front and on the personal front, you feel a little betrayed in life. You feel that you failed on both the categories. So but what's different in your case is that you still found the courage in yourself to stand up and give the November INI CT another shot, and that you are still mustering up the courage to go for the next challenge. And I think that in itself is a sign of a lot of bravery. So of course I hope and I wish that things fall into place for you. And till then, keep grinding, keep looking for all the positive things that you still have in your life. I'm sure you'll find greater and better things in life. All the very best, and thank you so much for opening up, and thank you so much for considering me worthy of listening to your experience in life. So the next comment is by Ananya Dio. Hi, it was my second attempt, did not get expected rank. I was so numb on the result day कि मेरी आँख से एक आंसू नहीं निकला. I was just numb. After 2 days I cried every single day for at least 2 weeks. कुछ दिनों पहले ही अपना रैंक और सिचुएशन एक्सेप्ट करने की हिम्मत मिली है मुझे. Also I've sacrificed my health for this exam. Pimples and weight gain never happened. बहुत hopeless फील कर रही थी. एक्सरसाइज करने की ज़ील ख़त्म हो चुकी थी. फैमिली सपोर्ट की की मुझे, बाकी आई हैव नो फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. आई फील वेरी लोनली. मेरे ड्रीम ब्रांच में सिर्फ डिप्लोमा मिलेगा मुझे, बट आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू टेक इट. आपकी वीडियो से आई रियलाइज्ड आई एम नॉट अलोन. आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. थैंक यू. So hi Ananya, thank you so much for reaching out. And I understand कि आप for something that you've worked so hard for, and आप यहाँ तक आए हो उस चीज़ पे मेहनत करते करते, and still you do not get exactly what you dreamt of. I understand that it does hurt, but आई थिंक यहाँ पे थोड़ा पर्सपेक्टिव हल्का सा चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू बीइंग हर्ट एंड यू बीइंग वो सारी चीज़ें जो आपको you are going through, I am not saying, I completely validate that, and it's absolutely valid to feel that way. But just to make you feel better, I think there are a lot of people जो जिनको ड्रीम ब्रांच ऐसे या वैसे या किसी भी रास्ते से नहीं मिल रही है. सो आई थिंक यहाँ पे वो वाले पर्सपेक्टिव की ज़रूरत है, वो ग्लास हाफ फुल हाफ एम्प्टी वाले पर्सपेक्टिव की ज़रूरत है. दैट यू हैव टू सी द ग्लास इज हाफ फुल. दैट ठीक है डिप्लोमा मिल रहा है, बट एटलीस्ट यू आर गेटिंग योर ड्रीम ब्रांच. हाँ, थोड़ा रास्ता थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा होगा, थोड़ा सा लंबा होगा, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होगा एज कम्पेयर टू MS और MD, बट स्टिल यू गेटिंग योर ड्रीम ब्रांच. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे डजंट मैटर, यू गेट टू वर्क इन द सेम फील्ड जिसमें आपने सोचा था कि आपको करने को मिले. सो आई थिंक कि दैट इन इट सेल्फ इज़ अ वेरी कंफर्टिंग फीलिंग, एंड आई नो दैट यू विल डू योर बेस्ट. एंड इवन दो इफ इट इज़ डिप्लोमा और DNB or whatever, I know you'll shine through and you'll give your best, and at the end it wouldn't matter to you. So all the very best, and thank you so much for reaching out. So that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for all the love and support, and all of those people who commented on my video. I hope you guys felt heard, if not more. You guys are the strongest, and if any of you guys have more experiences to share, please do. I'll take that up in my next video. Thank you so much. I'll see you. Bye.